that helped me prepare for DU and JNU like magic. I cannot stop emphasizing the fact that if I cracked DU, it was because of this book, because it is the best thing that you can find on net, and I am providing to you. So subscribe to my channel right now. Just do that, please. So here is, in this video we'll talk about that, the books that I followed and the books that I recommend you to follow, and the question papers. Now, for EFLU, there is no particular book that I would suggest you, because if you are going there for MA English specialized, Nair is your person. You can just depend on him for anything. But if you're going for cafeteria, you don't need to follow a particular book. Solving bank PO kind of question papers, just a bit of vocabulary, just a bit of language, grammar and composition, that is done. That is all you need to follow. You'll be sorted. No need to worry. Just solve bank PO kind of questions, reasoning, aptitude. Just listen every day for an hour or about, क्या बोलते उसको? What do you call that? What do you call that? Current affairs. Just listen for an hour a day about current affairs का YouTube videos वगैरह देख लो. Every day they have new updates, so just check that out. थोड़ा बहुत, just a bit of general knowledge, general studies, and you are done. No need to worry. General basic mathematics. How can I suggest a book for that? So go for that. Just find your way out. Now coming to the question papers. HCU के लिए भी वही है. HCU क्या बोला मैंने? University of Hyderabad and Calcutta University. I just कुछ भी कर दिया मैंने. जो भी है, UOH, University of Hyderabad के लिए भी you can follow Nair, because they have very few literature questions, so Nair can do the job. And then History of English Literature by Pramod K. Nair, I'm talking about him, that book of his. And for, again, language aptitude, basic vocabulary, thoda bahut reasoning. I cannot suggest you a book for that, can I? No, I cannot. Okay. Now coming to those who haven't studied English in their bachelor's and want to join MA English, I would first suggest you to check the eligibility criteria of the university you're aspiring for, because many of the universities don't allow you to do that. I checked for BHU. In BHU, you need to have at least, if not English as your honors, you need to have English as a subject you studied in your bachelor's as a subsidiary, or you have these kind of, or anyhow you need to have English in your bachelor's as a subject. BHU, you cannot join BHU. For DU2, I think there is a similar criteria. EFLU has a similar thing for MA English Literature, but if you want to join through cafeteria, you can do that. It doesn't require you any kind of English, any kind of prerequisite knowledge on English, so it has all the options free. You can join it. About the books that you need to follow, I talked about it already, and in a previous video as well, so go for it. Once you have shortlisted the universities you're applying for, you need to go through their syllabus, but I can understand for a first timer, all that is there in the syllabus may sound all, it may be all Greeks, so I know it may not make any sense. That is why note down whatever you're getting from there, and then I would suggest you to watch videos on YouTube. I wouldn't ask you to read, because that won't make sense, but there are many crash courses or stuff like that on YouTube, 5 or 10-minute videos on each age, things like that. So go through them and then again go back to the syllabus, watch it again, analyze it again. This time it will make more sense, and then go to the previous year question papers if they are available, and then only jump to a book, because if you start reading the book, I think it will lower down all your confidence and it will break your heart. So I hope I'm making sense. This is what I would suggest you: go through the syllabus again and again till the time it starts making sense, the previous question papers, and then only go to a book, read a book, because things, there are literary jargons which may sound too overwhelming. So it's important that you prepare yourself, have an armor. Videos देखो, YouTube videos, they are usually pretty good for a beginner. So for MA Cafeteria you need not do that, but I'm talking about any other university that would ask you subject specific questions. So now coming to the question papers and the question banks. It is here that I would like to talk to you about something else too. See, I don't know if you're in your third year or in your second year or in your first year. You just need to start your preparation. If you talk about me, I started my preparation in the second year, I should say. In the first year, second semester, I was like, I need to start. I was just figuring out how to do that. History wasn't prescribed to us, our syllabus in the first year, but then I was trying to figure out the ways to read history, kaise padhte, because till that time we haven't had ever read history of English literature, na? Poems padhe hai, prose padhe hai, kuch novels padhe, but not the history. So I had to figure out the ways to study history. So pehla year to figuring out mein nikal gaya. In the second year I started my preparation. No one could have ever imagined the lockdown. It was the time where we had to give our best to our entrance preparation that we got locked. All my books, all my notes, everything that I had prepared for this very moment of time for years, है ना, second year से मैं prepare कर रही थी अपने notes. They were all locked up in my hostel room in Banaras, and I was home in Patna. Things were all topsy-turvy. There was all hopelessness, all restlessness. I remember I had my BHU entrance. I had my center in Banaras. I couldn't manage to go to Banaras. How could I? Lockdown hai bhai. And we were protesting all the time कि postpone करो, postpone entrance वगैरह वगैरह, सब कुछ चल रहा था Twitter पे, सब कुछ हो रहा था trending. But it was only an evening before my entrance date that my father said that we need to go to Banaras because entrance देना ज़रूरी है. And I was like कि BHU entrance मेरे को नहीं पढ़ना किस लिए? But then somehow we rented a car, we went there. मेरा main motive था कि I need to pack my books because just a week later was the DU entrance. And I was like कि I need to get into DU anyhow because the normally EFLU entrance वो February end में होता है, and by April mid of the April you get a result. But this time even EFLU wasn't publishing its result, releasing its result. So things were quite not the way we thought it would be. And so my main motto was just to go to Banaras, pack all my books. Things to kapde वगैरह ठीक है, but books important है. And then I had to just come here and start studying for DU. BHU के लिए मैंने आधा घंटा भी नहीं पढ़ा था. I hadn't studied for BHU even for an hour or half an hour. So somehow I went there. I packed my book and somehow I could manage to go to, like, शाम में था. Thankfully मेरा entrance exam time भी शाम में था, from 4 to 6. So by 2 o'clock I finished packing, सब कुछ कार में रखा, and then we went to the center and exam दिया, and then we left for our home. After a day I started my preparation for DU, but it was only a week that it is here that the most important thing come. I realized that my result, BHU result, BHU 5th rank, DU result 6th rank, it was not because of the last moment preparation. Last moment preparation तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. all that I got was just because I studied for it for years. So, wherever you are, whatever you are doing, just start with the preparation because you don't know if things will turn out the way you're planning them to. I have friends who thought that they will start their preparation in third year, but then you don't know the third year syllabus itself is so huge. It's too tiring to take out time for your entrance preparation. But then, yes, these people plan that they will start their studies, entrance preparation in third year.
Okay, good morning again, everyone. Sorry we had to start a little late today. I've sent...
Class got over. I'm back. Okay, so coming back to what I was talking about, whatever you're doing, wherever you are, just start with your entrance preparations. And it's not that the semesters and entrance preparations are two different things. No, just a bit of approach is different because in semesters you need to write subjective answers and in your entrance they are usually objective, but you're reading the same thing. You're going through the same book, so start with your entrance preparation. It won't take you much, just a day every day, just an hour every day, be consistent. That will take you a long way. As I showed you, I have this book. I had this book for University of Delhi, MA English preparation. I liked this book. It was quite nice. It has many question papers. DUK, I think 5 or 6 years previous year question papers hai, and then you have ऐसे अलग से questions that you can follow, and it has basic थोड़ा बहुत information about each age, थोड़ा बहुत literary theory, थोड़ा बहुत literary form, everything है ना, थोड़ा थोड़ा सब कुछ है इसमें, everything there is. So I didn't really read from this book. I just saw the question papers here. So it's your way, whatever you want to. But I liked this book, and since most of the publications are just the same, Arihant, Sahani, all of them are just the same. So the publication doesn't matter. The books are, I think they are the same. So I had this book, and then I had Arihant UGC net preparation wala book. So I have Arihant. It's Arihant, yes, by Arihant publication, and I followed this book for, again, I didn't read much of it. I didn't read much of it, but I followed it for question papers and all. So this was a really nice book. Yes, the publications don't matter much in these kind of books. They are all quite the same, I feel. Now coming to the question papers, see, this is what I used to do. I used to search for any and every university question paper, and I used to download it, all that was available, and simply solve them. This helped me a lot because though I was clueless about the university, so like Pondicherry University, Pune University, Hyderabad University, Punjab University, Chandigarh University, किसी भी university का ना, Punjab University, there is one Punjab University in Pakistan as well. So क्या मैंने solve किया उसका भी question paper. So any question, any university, Nalanda, Patna Women's, Patna University, क्या रह गया, गुजरात का भी कुछ कुछ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के क्वेश्चन पेपर्स मैंने सॉल्व किए. सो आई यूज्ड टू सर्च फॉर एनी एंड एवरी. आई वुड जस्ट सर्च MA इंग्लिश क्वेश्चन पेपर्स PDF और एंट्रेंस क्वेश्चन पेपर्स PDF, एंड देन किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी का पूरा एक बंद लिस्ट आता था, एंड आई वाज जस्ट डाउनलोड इट, सॉल्व इट. दिस डिड टू थिंग्स फॉर मी. फर्स्ट, it made me confident, है ना, because the more number of question papers I used to solve, the more confident I used to feel about my preparation. The other thing it did was it prepared my mind to face different kind of questions. Each university has a different approach for its entrance, and every time I would to solve, I would solve one question paper, my mind would recognize a pattern, and this would help me a lot into, you know, categorizing knowledge. So different, you know, you need to have a different mindset for studying for a different entrance. So that helped me a lot. So I would suggest you to do that too. In the description box, रुको अभी वहीं पे, रुको. I have provided you a link to my Google Drive where I have arranged some of the question papers that I could get my hands on, these were the question papers I mailed to people. So मेल से डाउनलोड कर लिया बिकॉज फ़ोन से तो मैंने डिलीट कर चुका था आफ्टर माई एंट्रेंसेस गॉट ओवर. सो these were a few question papers that I could get my hands on. So I have provided to you that in the description box. But I need to talk to you about one thing. Okay, so मेरा क्लास स्टार्ट हो गया है. See, फिर सर ने बोला है वो 10 मिनट बाद क्लास स्टार्ट करेंगे. So I can continue. Okay, so I was talking about the question papers. And now here's a book that was a blessing to me. I just cannot stop talking about it. It is the best thing that I found on net. It's a PDF file, a book, a practice book. It is with the name of practice book lit.pdf in the drive. So you can check it. It is a JRE literature and English test practice book. So it is basically like for a university entrance test का practice book है. So you can just check it. I would suggest you check it. It has over 250 questions based on comprehensions. They are like, I don't know how many comprehensions are there, just stanzas or passages, literature ke, and then you have 2 to 3 questions from each passage. So that helped me prepare for DU and JNU like magic. I cannot stop emphasizing the fact that if I cracked DU, it was because of this book, because it is the best thing that you can find on net, and I am providing to you. So subscribe to my channel right now. Just do that, please. Why I call this book a blessing is because I found this book in lockdown, in the middle of all restlessness, hopelessness. I can just talk about that time. I had all my books, all my notes locked up in my hostel in BHU, and I had nothing to study, nothing to focus on, and my entrances were just there. I don't know, I was just surviving that time. And then I found this book. I didn't open it for 2 days, I don't know why, but then the moment I opened it and I looked at it, I solved 1 comprehension, 2 comprehension. I was like, this is it, this is what I was searching for. And all the question papers that you could find in the drive are all that I downloaded in that period of time, where I just needed to solve question papers because कुछ था नहीं पढ़ने के लिए, क्या पढ़ सकते थे. In that time, landing on a book like this, I cannot explain it. It helped me so much. If this helped, please like, share, subscribe, whatever it is. Please subscribe करो, हाँ. And if there is anything else you want me to talk about, please let me know. बस थोड़ा सा मुझे important feel करा देना, subscribe कर लेना. नहीं, ठीक है. Even if you don't subscribe, just let me know if there is any problem, and I'll definitely help you out. I do reply to each and every comment that people do, so feel free to do that. You can also email me. बस हो गया, done for the video. Bye bye.